Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, how to shape your flower stems. Some varieties, not all, anthurium, callas, you can mold them. You can get them to adjust exactly where you want them. So maybe it comes in straight, but you want it to flow. Just carefully manipulate, softly adding pressure, making sure that you don't kink it. If you kink it, it won't drink. But just softly maneuvering it, manipulating until you get it to bend just the way you want. Then once you have it bent, you can give it a cut, set it in a vase, and let it rehydrate in the form that you've started. Now this one I manipulated a little more, so you can see how it curves so beautifully. This anthurium I manipulated, and then it's ready to tuck right into an arrangement so that it trails right where you want it. Now you know how to do the flowers just the way you want. It's a soft touch. Try it, have fun, and I'll see you next time for Tulip Tuesday.